Most people think rich investors are constantly chasing the next big opportunity. The truth is almost the exact opposite. Many wealthy people build their fortunes through investments that most people would call boring. Why? Because boring investments are designed to grow steadily, not impress people. The stock market doesn't reward excitement. It rewards patience. Think about planting a tree. It grows a little every day. But years later, the results are impossible to ignore. The biggest enemy of investing isn't the market. It's human emotion. People buy when everyone is excited and sell when everyone is afraid. Rich investors understand something different. The goal isn't to beat the market. It's to stay invested. Consistency beats excitement. Small gains repeated for decades become extraordinary wealth. That's the quiet power of boring investments. So, what exactly are boring investments? They're simple investments that quietly grow over many years. No constant trading, no chasing the latest trend, just steady investing. Month after month, many wealthy investors automate this process. That removes emotion from every decision, because the less emotion involved, the better your long-term results usually become. The exciting investments make headlines. The boring investments quietly build fortunes. Most people chase excitement. The wealthy chase consistency. Building wealth isn't about finding the next big winner. It's about repeating simple decisions for years. Small actions, repeated consistently, create extraordinary results. The richest investors don't love boring investments because they're exciting. They love them because they work. Start simple. Stay consistent. Let time do the heavy lifting. If you want to build lasting wealth, boring may be the smartest investment you'll ever make. Subscribe to BayanIQ for more smart money insights. Watch the next video to continue your journey toward financial freedom.